Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow microphone access on an iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle is turned off. If it's enabled, microphone access may be blocked for some apps. Now, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can access your microphone. Make sure the toggle next to WhatsApp is turned on. If it's off, simply tap it to enable microphone access. Next, go back to the settings page again and tap Apps. Scroll down and select WhatsApp. From here, make sure the microphone toggle is also turned on. If the microphone still doesn't work, there's one more fix you can try. Go back to Settings, tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Now tap Offload App and confirm by tapping Offload App again. Once it's done, tap Reinstall App. After reinstalling, open WhatsApp and allow microphone permission when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully allowed microphone access on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.